Welcome to video 4.5, Make It Pop, Adding Media Tiles to a Dashboard. In the previous video, we published reports from Power BI Desktop to the web and started pinning visuals to our strategic dashboard. In this video, we'll finish off our strategic dashboard by adding media tiles. In addition to pinning visuals from reports to dashboards, you can create tiles directly on the dashboard to pin media such as text, images, videos, and embedded web content. Let's try it out. Log in to the Power BI service and open up your strategic dashboard from video 4.4. Click plus Add Tile. We'll create a couple of image tiles as titles for our two columns. So click Image and Next. This one will be for our left column, the pharmacy data. So click Display Title and Subtitle, and we'll call it Pharmacy, with the subtitle Business Overview. In content, we'll paste a link to an image. It requires your images to be hosted either on your intranet or on the internet, and I found this reasonably appropriate and freely usable one on the web. We'll also add a drill down feature, a link to the original report. So click here to check Set Custom Link, choose Link to a dashboard or report in the current workspace. Perfect. Hit Apply. Now if we scroll down to the bottom of the dashboard, we'll see this huge icon here. First, let's drag it up to the top. This is where we want to place it. And then resize it to be a 1x1. And then we'll resize the KPI to fit next to it and drag our other visuals up. Now let's make one for the grocery column. Click Add Tile again, Image, Next. Display Title and Subtitle. We'll use groceries here, year over year. And then for the content, I've got permission to use this photo from a really great photographer I know on Flickr. So we'll just paste that in there. We'll set custom link. You can already see the tile filling in the background. Once again, we'll link to a dashboard or report in the current workspace, but this time we'll choose our video 4.3 report and apply. Let's try to give it the same layout treatment. So we'll make it a 1x1, bring it up top, the KPI next to it, and bring up the rest of our content. Alright, one more, plus Add Tile. I'm supposed to provide attribution for these images we're using, so we'll use that as an example for a text box. So text box and next. Our title here will be attribution, and in content, we'll create links to the original sources. To start with, we'll type RX image from free fonts PNG. We're going to hit Ctrl A to highlight that whole text, and then click the link icon and paste in our URL here. Done, and we have our first link. Enter a couple times to make space for the next link, and this time we're going to type produce image, courtesy Marina Zakov. Shift home to select that text, link icon, grab the actual link, paste, done, and apply. Now we have an attribution text box. It doesn't need to be this big. We'll probably fit it in a 1x1, but we'll leave it down at the bottom off the main screen because it's not an essential tile. So if we look full screen, all of our essentials fit, and then you can easily scroll down to get to the rest. So that should do it. There's a lot more you can do with media tiles, like embedding a YouTube video or embed.ly web snippet, but I'll leave those as exercises for you to explore. In the next section, we'll learn about Power BI tools for telling stories with data.